Interest rates went down significantly. Inflation looks like it's on its way down. So what does that mean for the market, especially the market of next year, 2023? Is it going to continue? Are we going to see interest rates fall? We're going to get into it. So Justin, what do you think? What does this mean? This is a good sign, right?
Yeah, so interest rates dropped, for those of you guys don't know, close to 0.75% in the month of November. It was fantastic. It was a great relief for buyers. And this was due to the news that inflation fell from 8.3 down to 7.7. It was expected to go closer to 8.0 or 7.9.
Yeah.
So it was better news than expected for sure.
Definitely. So what does the trajectory look like as of right now? Does it look like that this is going to impact interest rates going forward? Does it look like they're going to come down more?
Yeah, so this rate drop was not because the Fed dropped their rates. This was a reaction to the market based on the good news.
Yeah.
And you guys can just think about it like if you're in the business of banking and the more money you lend out, the better it is for your bank. All these banks are struggling right now because they just aren't lending very much money.
Yeah.
It's hurting their stocks, it's hurting their profit and loss. And so, whenever there's good news in the economy, the markets usually react with like another bonus of like, hey, jump on board. But those banks can only go so low if the Fed's rate that they're borrowing money from keeps staying high.
Interesting. So let's talk about what some of the experts are saying. So there is one specific one that I would like to talk about, and this is what they said. The housing market is expected to face continued uncertainty heading into 2023 as consumers, financial markets, and policymakers work through their respective challenges in today's economy. And that was Ali Wolf, chief economist at Zonda. So I think everybody's kind of in the same situation. We're all kind of just watching like, what's going to happen? But
yeah, she's predicting that rates will fall maybe a little quicker than what the Fed is thinking. A lot of experts out there are saying that expect rates to stay high until the end of 2023 and even into 2024.
Dang.
Her look is that it's going to come much quicker, which I agree and I disagree with.
Okay.
So one of the reasons why I agree is because the market can't bear too much more.
Yeah.
That's exactly why rates went down based on the banks. However, the Fed is going to continue to raise rates on their next meeting, at least their next two meetings, which is going to bump those back up towards the sevens. And once they hit that again, I think maybe the third meeting, they only hike it up 0.25% or maybe none at all.
Yeah.
And so imagine no more rate hikes after April of 2023. I think that's a pretty good, fair prediction that will happen. Yeah. However, it doesn't mean that there will be decrease in the Fed's rates in March, in May, or June.
Yeah.
They might just keep them. The question will be how the economy responds as these rates stay high. Because you and I both know that usually when a recession hits, the Fed tends to
drop interest rates.
Yes. So that's going to be kind of the balancing act. I personally don't think they will drop them too quick.
Okay.
I think they will raise them about a total of 0.75% to 1% more than what they are today here at the end of November, beginning of December.
Okay.
But they're not going to start lowering them till probably September
of next year.
Dang. So late summer is probably to early fall is probably when we'll start to see those rates drop on the Feds. And once that happens, that's when everybody's going to be trying to get back in the market.
So we could have a crazy fall next year.
Yeah,
insane fall.
Could boom. Yeah, but then again, that all depends on how fast they drop them.
Yeah.
Are they going to now drop them 0.75% each time? Are they going to drop them 0.5%? Or are they going to just drop them 0.25%?
Yeah.
So it depends how aggressive they're going to be, and that depends on the economy, the jobs. Really hard thing to predict.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying is they'll finally start officially Fed bringing them back down in August of 2023.
I like it. We want to hear from you guys though. Please drop a comment. Let us know what you think is going to happen or what you have seen. Don't forget to like and subscribe.